ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 53 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 9. ಮಧು ದ್ರವಸೃಂತಿ ಬೃಹಂತಿ ತಾನಿ ಫಲಾನಿ ಮೇದೋ ಭರಭೃಂತಿ ಭುಕ್ತ್ವಾ ತೃಪ್ತೈಶ್ಚ ದೃಪ್ತೈಃ ಭವನಂ ಫಲೌಘಂ ವಹದ್ಭಿರಾಗಾಃ ಖಲು ಬಾಲಕೈಃ ತ್ವಂ. Word by word meaning. Madhu drava srunti, dripping with honey. Medo bhara brunti, full of flesh. Brihanti, big. Tani phalani, those fruits. Bhuktva, having eaten. Truptaihi, fully satisfied. Druptaihi, and triumphant. Phalaugham, bundles of fruits. Vahadbihi cha, carrying also. Balakaihi, along with the boys. Tvam, thou. Bhavanam, agaha, khalu, didst return home indeed. Full meaning. Having eaten big fruits which were dripping with honey and very fleshy, thou didst return home along with the boys, fully satisfied and triumphantly carrying bundles of fruits. Om Tat Sat.